What's going on, guys? It's your boy Count Dracula, the Volkswagen. We're here to bring you guys a new video today. Today we're gonna be installing these switches into these blank spots of the Mark 5 / Mark 6 Jettas. Probably could just use this for a GTI also, but it's gonna be these plugs. I think I got these upside down for you. Hold on. It's gonna be these plugs. I got 2 USB-Cs and a USB 3.0 regular box, just in case anybody still has like one of those wires. You want to kind of put your fingers right here, and then you can just kind of lift up on this trim panel. There's a wire connected to it. You don't entirely have to remove it. Like I said, I kind of got this started already. So you're gonna want to use yourself a T20 to get a screw that is located right there on the left side, and then another T20 that's located right there on the right side. Start off by pulling these plugs off of the cords right here like this. This way you don't have to feed the actual wires through. You can get your wires. You know, when you buy these, you're gonna want to make sure you get the right ones. The Mark 5 only has 4 plugs, and if you have the ESP button, then you can only get 3 of these. However, like I said, just make sure you get the right ones. I have 2 square buttons and 1 edge button. Blank switches look like this. Four little cubes. As a matter of fact, I'll just demonstrate how to get them out right now by putting them back in a little bit. I'll put them in, I'll put one of them back in, and then the other 2 will you'll just see kind of me pull them out. So you're gonna want to do this. Use your puller tool. You're just gonna kind of want to put in the edge right here like that. And this one, like I said, you just put some pressure, push down, it'll pop right out. Go ahead and just put the car in neutral real quick, just so that I can get this. You're gonna go ahead and pull out this socket right here. It's gonna be it's held on by 1 clip right here. You can use like a little screwdriver to kind of push the clip in and then push it back down, and it'll pull right out. This one, it's just a small little clip. You don't want to just push in. We have to do this and just go ahead and remove this whole unit. I cleaned up that whole area just for this specifically. So you're just gonna push these in. Like I said, they're gonna go ahead and clip in. You're just gonna want to make sure you can still press your button. Like I said, you can just clip it in. So you can see, all the plugs are now in. It looks, honestly, it looks beautiful. It looks factory, which is the best freaking part about it. You're gonna go ahead and plug this one in to right here. Oh, wrong way. Upside down.
That's what she said.
You're gonna want to plug in until you hear that click. Make sure it's all the way down. believe that's why I was having a little bit of fitment issues. And now you just want to go back and get your T20s situated. I believe I put my T20 up here. So, T20, I think one of my I think the bracket for this thing on the right side actually broke off. Not the end of the world. There's two of them. As long as there's a part that actually touches it to kind of hold it down, I guess that's all that really entirely matters. Like I said, this left side is still going to hold down because the whole bracket is still there. Ladies and gentlemen, ratcheting screwdriver, excellent tool for any job. I'm just going to go ahead and turn the car on, get these situated, test them out. I know that they were working from before because I plugged them in and I got them to work before. Looks like the USB-C right here is working. We are going to test the other one now. And we are working. And now the only thing to test is one of the old wires, which is we are going to use in a pair of AirPods, as you can see right here. Cool thing about this box actually is it's an any plug-in way box. It's a two-way plug, so you can plug in up or down, or I guess left or right, however you rather put it. Doesn't matter which way you put it in. Plugs in and it charges. And remember, as I stated before, these LEDs around here are actually triggered by that little red wire. And on the Mark 5s, the 12-volt socket actually is coded to not turn on when the car is off. So for these plugs, don't actually turn on when the car is not on or when the key is not in the ignition. Just like all the regular 12-volt sockets. Now, as you can see, I can now ditch this and get that out of here, and I'll